Okay, today we're going to be working on my Ryobi 4th cycle model S430 weed whacker. I already took off all the covers, so we're going to go ahead and change the carburetor out. As you can see, it just leaks. Something internal. I'm not even going to rebuild this. I ordered a new carburetor. I mean, they're cheap. It's just pretty much pull it off and put it on, really. So let's get started on that. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cable off. Okay. Now we're going to disconnect all of these hoses. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area so you don't, blow yourself up. Now your carburetor should slide right out of there. Bam! Can't get any simpler than that. So here's your new carburetor. Before we even put this on, I am going to just wipe all this stuff down. Take this off. Put this down. Get this housing all cleaned up. Wipe up this gasket. Put it back on. Okay, carburetor. That's pretty much all there is to it, man. Take this, clean it all up. Put this back on. Before I do that, I'll go ahead and just connect the cable. Throttle cable. Okay. Just slide this bad boy back on. Okay, when you take these nuts off, there are two washers behind it. I almost lost them because they fell on the ground. So put those back on. And just snug everything back up. Alright, these go back in. Got those back on. There we go. And there, like that. Okay, this goes back in. Back in there. And this can go back into the housing. There we go. Alright, we got fuel. I'm going to crank this bad boy up. You got to pump it 10 times. That's close enough. I don't even know how many times that was. Let's see if you'll run. Now, there's an idle adjust screw here. I'm going to play with it so we can get it to idle. And that's all there is to put a new carburetor on the Ryobi S430. Once you're done, put your covers back on, which is pretty simple. This goes on the bottom with 3 screws, boom, and then that goes on the top. You guys can figure that out. I couldn't even find a rebuild kit on these. These are like 30, 40 bucks each carburetor. It's not even worth rebuilding, if you could even find a kit. So that's all there is to it, guys and girls. I hope this is helpful. Leave comments below, constructive criticism. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And you all take care and God bless. Bye-bye.